Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are solving a lead code problem number 191, number of 1 bits. This is very important question for beginner. This problem says we are given an assigned integer. Our task is to count how many bits are equals to 1 in the binary representation. These 1 bit are also called set of bits. Suppose n is equals to 11. The binary representation of 11 is 1, 0, 1, 1. Now count the number of 1. There are 3 sets of bits. So the answer becomes 3. The main idea is simple. We repeatedly check the last bit, count if it is the 1, then remove the last bit and continue till the number becomes 0. So let's we move on the code and see. Suppose int count equals to so here is the code and it satisfies all the type cases. We first analyze count equal to 0. This store the number of set of bits. Now while the number is greater than 0, check the last bit. If the last bit is 1, then add 1 into current. Then right shift the number by the 1 position, which remove the last bit. We repeatedly this process until n becomes the 0. Finally return the count. The time complexity is O into numbers of bits and this place complexity is O into 1 since we use only the few variables. So that was the solution for LeetCode 191.